Hey folks, I wanted to take a minute to show you the iXL app integrated into Schoology. Um, Students will still have to log into Clever to use iXL, but because they're in Schoology and both can use Google to log in, it'll just pop up the Clever menu asking them to click their Google login to pop them right in there. In this way, you can get them directly to a specific lesson in iXL without using the code or having them go through Clever to find it. So what you'll do is you'll come to the add materials option. Again, I just want to point out that the apps appear here on the left. Those are just links to the website. Those aren't where we add new material. Where we add new material, we'll click here, and you'll notice those same apps appear on the right side of this little dividing line. So I'm going to click on iXL, and you'll find a quick little search feature that will navigate you to the subject and grade that you choose. Based on the letters, iXL divides content into. Now, if you would rather go to iXL yourself, click on NC Standards on the right, and then find the exact standard that you want. You can search by that. So you'll be able to search by the title that iXL gives that lesson or this little number. So let's say that I'm doing 30A1 and I want 3-E.1. I can come back to iXL, type that in here, 3-E.1, and that particular lesson will pop up. Okay, I could similarly go through iXL's divisions to do this, but if I want to hit that exact standard, there it is, and all I have to do is hit link skill. Once I hit link skill, it's going to integrate into my Schoology just like Edpuzzle does and just like Discovery does with my little ruler icon. Students will be able to click there, launch that lesson inside of Schoology after they sign in, and do everything they need to in iXL within Schoology. If you wanted to link this to a learning plan, you would just be able to take this link and link it to your learning plan so that they could click right on it and hop right into iXL. That's how to integrate iXL into your Schoology accounts. Thanks.